Water, water, clean and bright. We use it from morning until night. Turn the tap and what do we see? Water is important for you and me. When we're thirsty, what do? Drink clean water, it's good for you. Sip, sip, sip and feel so fine. Water helps our bodies shine. Wash our hands and brush our teeth. Wash our faces nice and neat. Clean our clothes and dishes too. Water helps in all we do. Flowers water the trees. Water helps the buzzing bees. Plants grow green and fruits grow sweet. Water helps us grow our food to eat. Turn off the tap when you're done. Saving water can be fun. Don't waste water, every drop. Let's save it, never stop. We use water when we cook. Just take a little look. Soup and rice and veggies too. Water helps make yummy food for you. Every day, we need it in so many ways. Drink it, wash, and help things grow. Save every drop and let it flow. The pool, we splash and swim. Kick our feet and move each limb. Water games are lots of fun. Splashing, laughing in the sun. And cats and birds drink too. Water is important for the zoo. Cows and horses, big and small. Fresh, clean water is needed by all. Fighters come when there is fire. With water spraying higher and higher. Whoosh, whoosh, the water goes. Helping stop flames, everyone knows. Water helps when buildings grow. Mixing cement, now we know. Homes and schools and bridges strong. Water helps the work along. And ships sail far away. Across the water every day. Rivers, lakes, and oceans blue. Water helps us travel too. Wash the car and wash the bus. Keep them clean for all of us. Bikes and trucks can sparkle too. With a little water, woohoo! Water for drinking, water to clean. Water keeps our world fresh and green. For splashing, for playing, swimming too. So many things that water can do. Every drop, don't let it go. Water helps our whole world grow. Use it wisely every day. Let's protect our water. Hip, hip, hooray! It's useful, big and small. Water is important, one and all. Let's use it wisely every day.
Thanks for watching Kids Wonder Zone!